Let us take one more example of multi-level conditional statement. The problem is enter roll number, name and marks in three subjects and indicate whether the candidate gets a distinction, first class, second class or a pass class. Now, to make it little simpler, we will not consider whether the person has passed in each of the subjects. So we shall find the average, and from the average let us decide and see if he gets I think above 70 he gets distinction, 60 to 70 first class, etc. Or if he gets less than 40 in average he fails. So that is the later we will modify the same problem and make it a little complicated. So what we do is first we have to input mark 1, mark 2, mark 3. So of course the whole complete flow chart would be so where you would accept the register number and name of the person and then marks in three subjects, find the average. And this asks the question, if average is greater than equal to 70, print he has got distinction. Else, if average is greater than equal to 60, that is between 60 and 70, he gets a first class. Or else, so as a multi-level conditional statement. So as you see, it gets above 50, greater than equal to 50 or less than 60, he gets the second class. If he gets greater than equal to 40 and less than 50, he gets third class. Else he fails. That means his average is below 40. This is not a good example because we have not checked whether the person has passed in each of the subjects. That will be done later. So this is the flow chart for multi-level. As you see there, if, elif, else. There are so many options here. So, all right, in this program, so I input the register number, then input the name of the person, and then enter marks in three subjects. I get mark 1, mark 2, and mark 3. Here I convert them into integer. Then I find the total, then find the average, and then I ask this, if average is greater than 80, the result equal to 0, that means it's a distinction. We code it. If it is average is greater than equal to 60, result is equal to 1. The average is greater than equal to 50, result is equal to 2, etc. And else result is equal to 1 minus 1. Now we want to print the marks card. So marks card is here. I print the roll number, I print the name, I print marks in three subjects, total and the average. After that I would like to print whether the person has got distinction, first class. So again I go to that. If result is equal to 0, that is what we have processed it earlier. So then it gets distinction or it gets first class, second class, third class or failed. So this is the Python program. So let us see the result. So I have entered the student ID, I enter the name of the person, marks in three subjects, 80, 60, 70, and this is the marks card. Roll number is there, name of the person is there, and marks in three subjects are there, total is there, and average is there. So if it's exactly 70, therefore the person gets first class. That is the output of the same program. We will take few more examples now. Thank you.